How to fix Netflix site error. 1. Exit then restart your browser. 2. Clear cookies and cache from your web browser. 3. Restart your router/internet connection. 4. Restart your computer. 5. Use an alternate, supported, and updated browser. 6. Sign into another supported device. 7. Try connecting your device directly to the router via LAN. 8. Improve the Wi-Fi signal. Improving your Wi-Fi signal can lead to a more reliable and faster internet connection. Here are several steps you can take to boost your Wi-Fi signal. 1. Optimize router placement. Place your router in a central location within your home or office. This helps distribute the signal more evenly. Keep the router away from walls, floors, and other obstructions that can block the signal. Elevate the router by placing it on a higher shelf or mounting it on the wall if possible. 2. Update router firmware. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your router. Manufacturers often release updates that can improve performance and security. 3. Use quality hardware. Invest in a high-quality router that offers the latest Wi-Fi standards, example 802.11ac or 802.11ax. Consider upgrading your modem if it's outdated, as it can impact overall internet speed. 4. Secure your network. Set a strong Wi-Fi password to prevent unauthorized access, which can slow down your network. Use WPA3 encryption for enhanced security. 5. Reduce interference. Avoid placing your router near devices that emit electromagnetic interference, such as cordless phones, microwave ovens, and Bluetooth devices. Switch your router to a less congested Wi-Fi channel. Many routers have an auto channel selection option that can help. 6. Use 5 GHz band. If your router supports dual band Wi-Fi, use the 5 GHz band for tasks that require high bandwidth, example streaming HD videos or online gaming. The 5 GHz band is less crowded than the 2.4 GHz band. 7. Extend Wi-Fi coverage. Use Wi-Fi range extenders or mesh Wi-Fi systems to cover larger areas with a strong signal. Position range extenders strategically to ensure optimal coverage. 8. Upgrade antennas. Some routers allow you to replace the stock antennas with high-gain antennas for better coverage and signal strength. 9. Limit background apps and devices. Disconnect or turn off devices that are not in use to reduce the number of connected devices. Limit background applications or downloads that may be consuming bandwidth. 10. Quality of service, QoS. Use quality of service settings on your router to prioritize specific devices or applications that require a faster connection, such as online gaming or video conferencing. 11. Regularly restart your router. Reboot your router occasionally. This can help clear the cache and resolve minor connectivity issues. 12. Consider a Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax router. If you have many devices connected simultaneously, consider upgrading to a Wi-Fi 6 router, which is designed to handle multiple devices more efficiently. 13. Professional help. If you've tried these steps and still experience Wi-Fi issues, consider consulting a professional or contacting your internet service provider for assistance. Remember that Wi-Fi performance can vary depending on factors like your internet plan, the age of your router, and the specific devices you're using. Experiment with these tips to find the best combination for improving your Wi-Fi signal. 9. Check Netflix's server status.